Levier Fine Writing Instruments presents the turning process of a Wall Street pen using a pen blank made from Levier Casting Products. Now that we know the correct distance, we are proceeding to cut our pen blank. During the drilling process, we are able to see the performance of Levier Casting Products. We can see the shavings, and we can see that no shavings have been melted during the drilling process. Levier recommend to use a face shield or safety glasses in combination with a respirator or mask, and also ear plugs. For this project we are going to use CA glue. One of the many advantages of using Levier Casting Products is that the colors will remain without fading away like the polyester resin. The Wall Street 2 pen requires only one tube. You can use your regular turning mandrel, but the only thing needed is to add a couple of spacers, or in our choice we are going to use the collect chalk so we can adjust the distance needed. The setup of this turning project is very simple. We need to install the bushings that will provide the external diameters, and also we are adding a couple of spacers. One key element as quality control is to find the turning center of your pen mandrel. The tools that we are going to use for this project are going to be the roughing gouge, the spindle master, and the skew. We are using the roughing gouge to turn the rectangular pen blank into a cylinder. As we can see, we are being very aggressive with this pen blank. Another advantage of using Levier Casting Products is that the chip out during the turning process will be reduced to 95%. Sharpen tools are a must. Remember that there is a complete library on how to sharpen your turning tools here in YouTube. Username Levier 2011. We are going to use the skew for different types of cuts. In this view, we are using the skew as a scraper. The next set of cuts are going to be to do some shaping to our pen blank, and also to reduce the diameters that are going to be connected to our bushings. In this view, we are able to see the performance of Levier Casting Products. There are fine fibers that are coming out during these cuts, and as we can see, we are also doing some polishing. This means that minimum sanding will be required. Mastering the skew, it's a challenge, but the results that we can get with a sharp skew are just amazing. It is now time to move to the spindle master. One of the principal characteristics of the spindle master is the highly polished bevel. Once again, the long shavings are a synonym of a high sharpened tool in combination with the best pen blanks available for you. Progressive wet sanding will be the last detail made to this turning project. we are going to use 120 all the way to 2000 grit. Then we are going to use a red and a blue compound to polish the surface. Plastic polish will be the last touch in our project. Our pen blanks are now available to all our worldwide viewers. Our state-of-the-art equipment and manufacturing process will provide you the best pen blanks available in the market. We use aerospace grade materials for our molds in combination with carbon fiber resins. We can produce one casting at a time, or we can provide you a block and you can custom cut it according to your needs. The quality control during the manufacturing process of our pen blanks will provide you a long-lasting blank that will remain with the same colors. It will not fade away during the machining or the polishing process. Each particular pen blank is unique and one of a kind. Very difficult to match the patterns and colors. So you will have a one-of-a-kind pen blank for a one-of-a-kind pen. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns in regards to this video, feel free to send us an email. We will reply as soon as possible. If you are interested in one of our pen blanks, feel free to send us a note. We are now available to ship worldwide. We are adding more inventory of our pen blanks every single week. Levier would like to say thank you to all our viewers all over the world. From Mexico to Ukraine, from China to Holland. We also like to say thank you to all the people that are behind the scenes making possible these videos. To our main sponsors in Mexico, Alberto Cavazos and Lidia Quiroga. Supply Chain Manager Dave Olson. Business Development and Market Researcher Carmina Cavazos. Quality Control and Product Development Engineer Marta Acosta. And to all our viewers all over the world. Your feedback is always welcome. Please send us your comments, your questions, and include a couple of pictures of your projects. We would like to see them as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.